Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the drive shaft on 2011 Nissan Rogue. You see the drive shaft broken. So it's broken the U-joint in here. So when you drive the car, like you feel the car like dancing on the road, like vibration a lot. So before we start remove it, you need to put your car in neutral, okay? Put the car in neutral and the car in neutral and disconnect. You see the exhaust hanger in here on the front one and on the back one here too. We need more room to remove the nut in here, the center nut in here, the bearing nuts. So for the CVX, so this one not CV, this one a drive shaft. Okay, so right now I'm gonna put a camera up there and start remove it. For bolt on the front here is a number 14mm. Okay, let's get started, guys. So I'm going to remove right now. This one very common, you know, problem on Nissan Rogue, the drive shaft problem, and Murano also. I changed like so many already. Don't forget to put the neutral, okay, on your car. If you don't put the neutral, you cannot spin the drive shaft. So damn, the shaft broken and blocking me. Cannot do anything to it. So 1 second. Let me I don't know you guys can see or not, but let me put a flashlight up there. Maybe it will help you out. You can see a little bit clearly. So see the bolt here. We use number 14mm, guys. It's to remove it. It's a 14. And 14mm on the rear shaft is a 14mm also. At the center one, I thought it's 16mm to use it. And one more is 14. Let me spin the drive shaft a little bit, move around. Okay, so this one gonna be out. Here you go. And after you remove the front one and come back to that side, you see the center one for this one, the bearing drive shaft. So I thought it's they use number 16. I think 16. Let me try it again. I thought it's 16, my guess. What number is it? They use number 16mm, guys. So just grab loose it. So 16mm and one more 16. That's why you put a crack loose the exhaust hanger and you get room to remove the bolt of the nut. And come out. And it's almost done, guys. So and next we're gonna remove, you see the bolt here is number 14mm bolt and nut, and just number 14. I need something to hold it up. It's out. This job is not that hard, you know, it's just and let me see, it's 2 more to go. But some nut I already cracked loose it earlier, so not gonna be hard. This one is the last one, the last nut. The U-joint, the shaft is completely broken. That's why I do a test drive on that car, like the car shake like crazy. So it's time to remove it, guys. So it's not that heavy though. So you see the drive shaft here, completely frozen. It's quite broken. That side, see it? The U-joint like broken already. So okay, let me bring a new one for it. It's coming, you will see it soon. Just coming. Oh, really? Okay. Wait 1 second, guys. I'm lifting the drive shaft. Do it alone a little bit hard, so it's time to install it, guys. Just put the shaft back in. Không bỏ. Okay, so right now I already put it and time to install the bolts and nut on the back. Okay, so let me reinstall it. Two in here, go around a little bit. The third one here. Come on, baby. Let me move this one a little bit. Oh, this one spanner. Can we put the choke ring on it, or let me try put this one. It won't work for somehow though. Okay, let me tighten this one a little bit. So okay, perfect. All right, so it's 2 more to go, guys, and after this we're gonna go. Okay, so the last one. Okay, so here you go, and next we gonna install the front. Okay, let me put the camera up there, it's easy for you can see it. Install the nut, other bolts on the front. This one is a 14mm bolts. One is the last one on the top. Very simple, guys. So like for this one, 4 bolts, oh no, 8 bolts and 6 nuts. So this is simple, you can get it done. But if you do it at home, I think a little bit hard, because you need to use the stand shaft and lift the car up a little bit to get room to remove it. If you do on the left like me, it's gonna be easy, guys. Let me close it. Still on. Make sure everything tight. Okay, it's perfect. And the last nut in here for the bearing one. there's no room for this one. I should remove it, that cover, but try to cheat a lot. Don't want it. Okay, it's in now. So let me tighten it. Okay, so this on all set right now. It's time to put the exhaust hanger back. Okay, one in, and that is the last one, guys. Let me put the camera up there. This is the last hanger in here. Just put it in. Okay, so right now, guys, are set to go. This is how to change the drive shaft on 2011 Nissan Rogue. It's all set to go, guys. Okay, thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. Any question, just let me know. I'm happy to give you more detail on. Okay, thank you.